What is up, guys? I'm RobbxAce and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make multi-layered Cricut designs in the easiest way that I know how. So without further ado, let's jump into it. In this video, we're going to be making Rengoku from the anime called Demon Slayer. I am a huge anime fan, so don't judge me, all right? So first, you're going to find an image that you want to turn into a stencil. Then you're gonna head on over to ChatGPT, and yes, you can use the free version. Then you upload your image, tell it to make a detailed stencil, and then you can ask for a 2-layer or a 3-layer stencil, however many layers that you want. So next, you're gonna upload your stencil into Cricut Design Space. If you're cheap like me and you don't want to pay for those extra features, then you're gonna have to manually remove all the white areas until you're left with only a black outline. Use the preview button to make sure it looks clean before moving on. To keep things simple, instead of doing this for every color, we're going to just print the same stencil 3 times. Now it's time to fire up your Cricut. Print off your stencil in every color that you plan to use. For me, that's yellow, red, orange, and black. So while the Cricut is doing this thing, I wanted to add some heat to the jacket, literally, by adding some flames to the bottom of the jacket. I know that was a bad joke, but it is what it is. I used this blue tape to block off any section that I didn't want to get any paint on. And then I used this Walmart fabric paint to add a background for the flames. Now the flames were already printed out from my earlier project, and so I just added them on to the bottom of the jacket. Now it's time for the most tedious part of the project, which is weeding the vinyl. You're gonna have to remove all the parts that don't match your color vinyl. For example, in my yellow layer, I'm removing everything that isn't yellow, and repeat this for each color layer. So once all your stencils are ready, you just have to layer them from the lightest to the darkest and kind of put them together like a puzzle piece. And now it's time for the final product. Now, I really had a blast with this one and trying something new, and I think I created fire with this one, but I don't know. What do you guys think? If you like this design and you learned something new, drop a fire emoji in the comments, and if not, let me know how I could improve in the future. Either way, I appreciate you watching and hope to see you again soon.